If you want to use a Bluesky app, first thing is to open bsky.app, then create your account and you should see your panel like this. You can browse through different settings or your profile to customize it, but that's the topic for another video. In this case, we'll learn how to use all of its features. So the most important feature, I guess, is to create your own posts. You can click like this and then type in what's on your mind. You can add different hashtags so that it's easy for other people to find a specific topic in your post. So for example, I'm gonna go with a cat photo, and that way if somebody will look for a cat photos, they will find this hashtag, and then they can find your post as well. You can also include a photos, videos, GIFs, and emojis, or change a language for that post as well. Then when you're ready, you can post it, and then it should be visible on your feed. And honestly, that would be everything other than browsing, because if you want to use Bluesky just to browse through different information, you can enter a feeds, which is the easiest way to find a specific community for your news in this example, but you can go for other options as well. That way, if you click on it, you can follow or pin it to see the specific posts from that feed on your dashboard. You can then also click on search and look for the tags that I've mentioned when I was talking about creating your own posts. And that is basically everything.